So I'm standing here next to 8th Avenue or Range Road 243A. This project is by far one of my proudest achievements as an MLA. This particular community behind me, the Chateau Estates community, lost access to 16th Avenue as a result of ring road construction.
When you ask a member of Chateau Estates why we wanted this road, it was more than just access, it was also about safety. We have struggled that if anything happens with the train tracks, if anything is blocked off, we don't have access to get into the park, which is mostly seniors. So for emergency situations or just being able to get to work, we would suddenly be in lockdown. And to go out, we only had one way out. And if anything happened, then we would be at whatever mercy that was there.
The Ministry of Transportation has promised to connect a road between 84th Street and 100th Street Northeast. The land has been bought and a promise made. Can the Minister tell my constituents when the road will be built?
I want to emphasize to the member that this road will be built as soon as we can, and that's my guarantee.
He fought for us when we didn't think anybody would, and that was why we love him so much here. And he turned this not into just getting a road, but to being heard and to being supported, and so that's why this road is so special to me. And I thank Manmeet for fighting for us, and I'm sure he gave it everything he had.
I remember the first meeting I had with the community, a Friday night leading to a long weekend, and approximately 100 people showed up. Mr. Speaker, I let my constituents know that I would leave everything I had on the table trying to find a solution, because this issue meant more than just road access to a community. It meant a community that often felt forgotten would once again believe that someone was standing up for their interests. Mr. Speaker, I'm delighted that this road is now finally open.